Okay, we're live, guys. Good, good. So, good news and bad news. Good news is that my stock for yesterday, it actually had a good day. If you don't know what it is, it's PAGS. You can go back to the yesterday's video and see why I saw value in it. The bad news is I just could not trade it because broker didn't support the stock. So, such life. Okay, but got a new one today, and I double check and make sure that if my plan goes accordingly, I'd be able to trade it. So let's start sharing the screen. Boom, boom. Okay. Do that. Minimize that. Minimize that. Okay, so for today, ticket symbol JD. And again, this is not me telling you to buy this stock. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just doing this because I find value in this ticket symbol, and I like to share my thought so that I can go back and see if what I had in mind actually worked, and if you guys find some value in it, even better. So when I look back at JD, okay, it's been just trading in this range pretty much. Between 35.12 and it hit a height of 50, but pretty much the channel is around 43. Okay, 45, I'm sorry, between 45. So, but if we zoom into more recent time, what I see is that it was consolidating, then it had some earnings calls and conference call, and it just went boom, boom. Had this huge volume, but the bears are in charge. But the interesting thing is that it got rejected immediately by this green candle. Not a lot of volume though, but it got rejected. So the low in this candle is 31.18, then it went down 31.07, and it got rejected and it pushed back up. Then it was rejected by this EMA indicator, and yesterday we have this nice green candle with an increasing volume, and we break the EMA that was acting as a resistance. So with all that in mind, plan is the same. We have a nice low here that is going to be my support. So I'm going to use this as my support. So I'm going to, and my plan is just to, if it breaks that high, I'm just going to go for it. I got to watch out for this candle though. It's nice. See how the low on this candle is 33.02 and the high on this candle is 32.81. So it's around that 33 range. That seems to be like a resistance. But if we got momentum today, we could very well break this and move on into the 36.50, 36.80 something range, which is a good, nice profit. So that's my plan for this one. I only have one stock. I'm just micromanaging, not focusing on a lot of stuff. Just one stock. If it plays, it plays. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Yesterday, I ended up trading ZTO because I could not trade PAGS. Then I saw ZTO. It's been trading in this this channel here pretty much. And when I looked at CTO, so the support here, pretty much that was a low, most recent low, but then I saw that it started to it got rejected, right? I had a low. Let me just zoom. Cancel that. Just zoom out a little so I can see this better. Okay, let's go from here to here. Okay, so we were going up, up, up. Hit that ceiling, boom, it went down, but when it went down, it came right up, came up. Okay, and we see the volumes going up. So as the volume was going up here, it's confirming that it's going down, but then we have this huge volume and it got rejected. So interesting is it got rejected, and then the next day it confirmed this level here. That level was confirmed, and then it started to move up, move back up, starting to move back down, and now see how that level keeps getting confirmed. So thinking that it is going to move back up. Didn't have a lot of volume though. This is very low on volume, so it just stayed within minimal range. But what I see here is just noticing this, how the yellow line is crossing the blue line, which is actually a good thing. So if it keeps this trend, I might hold it for a couple more days and see what happens. So gotta keep an eye on the market, because yesterday we had keeps going up, just things keep going up, but we have this gap here between this, the high for this candle, the low for we have this gap here, and usually gaps tend to get filled, and the only way that this gap can get filled is by going down. So we might experience some pullbacks. It's still early in the week, it's still Tuesday, so we might experience some pullbacks so we can fill this gap and then keep our momentum going up. So gotta keep close eye on those stop losses, make sure that we have stop losses in place so that when we see this pullback, we don't I lost my train of thought. When we get the pullback, we can manage our trade accordingly. Okay, so I minimize that. Screen sharing. Let's stop that. Okay, so with that being said, guys, that's my stock for today. That's my plan for today. That's what I see value in it. Yeah. Again, just you don't like it, you don't understand it, you don't need to trade it. And that's it. Let's try to stay green, and God bless.